EFF leader Julius Malema and party MP Mbuyiseni Ndlozi are back in the Randburg Magistrates Court this morning. They're charged with allegedly assaulting a police officer at the 2018 funeral of Winnie Madikizela-Mandela. In fact, we'll take you live in just a moment. In fact, you're watching live visuals of that taking place right now. It appears that members of the EFF are now very quickly making their way inside the courtroom. Our reporter on the ground is Mbuyiseni, no doubt watching that quite closely. There he is, CIC himself, next to the EFF spokesperson walking into the courtroom. Interesting there, because we were initially told from the party themselves that they were uncomfortable with the prospects of being in court because of COVID-19, but that now has changed. Like I said, Mbuyiseni on the scene for us. We'll crash out of the headlines and take you straight to just outside court now. Mbali, as expected, great interest in watching how today will unfold. As I mentioned a few moments ago, the CIC himself had previously mentioned safety concerns around COVID-19, but that seems to have changed.
That's right, and that has certainly changed. As you can see that you've spotted a number of EFF supporters and members, and they are here to offer their support to their leader, Julius Malema. We know that he will be appearing in court today alongside EFF MP Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, and that's in connection with that common assault case. And we've heard from the state saying that they are now ready to proceed with the trial, and the trial has been set aside for today as well on the 28th of October. And this is in connection with the common assault matter where they allegedly assaulted a police officer during the funeral of the late struggle icon Winnie Madikizela-Mandela in April in 2018. As you can see here, we've even seen Julius Malema just speaking in regards to that matter, saying that it was indeed a white police officer who tried to stop them from attending the funeral and going to the gravesite of Umama Winnie Madikizela-Mandela, and there's no white male, an Afrikaner male, who can stop them from doing so. But we are expecting a lot of action here at the court today at the Randburg Magistrates Court. We have seen EFF members who have come in their numbers, Ayanda. As you can see there, they have come here singing and chanting struggle songs, just basically saying that they are here to support their leader as well as Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. And we've also spotted a stage which has made its way here to the court. And Ayanda, when you see a stage of that magnitude, you know that once the proceedings are done here inside court, you are expecting the leader to send some sort of message to their supporters.
Absolutely. So, keen interest in Bali with what's going to be taking place inside and outside of court, perhaps true to form to how the EFF has operated in the past. But let's speak about what's likely to take place inside. I mean, it took a few stops and starts to get us to where we are now. What are we expecting inside court today?
Well, Ayanda, what we are expecting inside court today, this specific day has been set aside for the trial. So we are expecting to hear those arguments from both the cases. We do know that the police officer previously said that he did report this matter at the Douglasdale police station, and this matter did not allegedly get the attention of the police, and not much was done there. But it was only then when AfriForum's prosecution unit got hold of the case and then started putting pressure on the state to look into this matter. So we are now expecting that trial, Ayanda, to get underway, and it is a trial that is expected to last for 2 days. It will start today, and then it is expected to return back here on the 28th of October.
Mbuyiseni, it certainly looks like an eventful day ahead. We'll allow you to get your bearings once again before trial begins. Mbuyiseni is our reporter live to us there from just outside the Randburg Magistrates Court, where EFF leader Julius Malema as well as MP Mbuyiseni Ndlozi are set to begin their trial in connection with an assault that took place back in 2018.